Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do a drugstore affordable makeup tutorial because I feel like it's been a hot minute since I did one. So if you want to see how we did this whole look, then please keep watching. So starting off with my foundation, this is the Maybelline 24-hour foundation. The colour I'm using is Classic Ivory. I really love the coverage in this because it covers everything. As you can see here, it's even covering the scars on my chin. So it has like amazing coverage, but I find that it does oxidize a little bit, so if you are getting it, maybe go just like a little bit lighter than your usual shade. For my concealer, I'm using the Age Rewind from Maybelline. I think this is the neutralizer shade because there's no number on it, but I remember when I picked it up it had like something about like a neutralize, so that's this shade. And then just blending it in. What I will do is I'll link the brushes below because offhand I don't know the numbers or names, but I will put all the brushes in the description box. And now to contour, I'm using the Rimmel Insta contour stick. Now when I put this on first, I didn't think it was going to be dark enough, hence the face, but I went with it anyway because this is the only cream contour I have from a drugstore brand. But I went with it, so I'm using it on my cheeks and my jawbone and then just in around the forehead just to bronze up the skin. And this is a Morphe brush then I'm using to blend it out. And as I was blending, I found that it worked actually quite well, and I liked the shade that it came out. I just thought that it was just going to blend in too much with my foundation and you weren't going to see it, but as you can see it actually turned out pretty well and you can notice the difference.
I didn't hire an ex-convict. Unless they mean Toby, convicted rapist. I'm just kidding.
Now to set that, I'm using a bit of the Annabelle Perfect Matte. So I'm just mainly doing under the eyes and then in around the T-zone, just to take away any shine and just to set the concealer. And then to bronze and to set the contour stick, I'm using the Annabelle bronzer. This is one of my favourites. It blends so easily and it's a really good bronzer that you can build up without it going too mucky looking. So it's definitely in one of my top 5 right now. Now using the NYX Lid Lingerie eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to start off blending this shade into the crease, like always. And then a little bit of the warmth shade just to warm up the crease a little bit more. Don't worry, it's not going to be another warm smoky eye. We're adding some colour. And then I'm just taking a smaller brush and I'm just going right underneath the eye with the second shade that we used. Just going right into the lash line. Make all the faces you need to make to get it perfect. And then going in with a dark brown and just working it into my crease just to define my crease a little bit. And then for my lid, these are the Maybelline Colour Tattoo Eye Chrome. So I'm putting this all over the lid first. Then this is going to work as my eye base, and then I like to just blend it out so you don't have any harsh lines over the eye. And now going in with the NYX Love You Very Mochi palette. I'm taking the purple shade and we're just pressing this on. I probably did this about 3 or 4 times just to kind of get as much colour payoff as possible and just press it all over the lid. Now I used this Kiss liner, which kind of sucked, to be honest. It's not the best, it was very hard, but I just kept going with it anyway because it was the only drugstore eye pencil that I could find at the time. But yeah, not my favourite, but as I said, I already started it, so I just kind of kept going with it. So then I went in with the brown just to kind of help blend it in, so it came out a lot better, as you can see. And then taking the lighter shade from the Love You Very Mochi palette and just highlighting the inner corners. And into one of my favourite mascaras now, this is the Maybelline Hot Shot Mascara. And just giving our lashes a good coat of mascara. Now for my lashes, these are Kiss lashes. I have the box here, but there doesn't seem to be like a number or a name on them, but they are part of their faux mink collection. And to highlight, I'm using the Kiss Halo Strobing palette, which I love, and I just mix the 3 shades together. I think this is the medium palette. As far as I know, it comes in light, medium, dark, but this is the medium one. And just to hydrate my lips a bit, I'm using the Nivea lip balm. It's one of my favorites. It's like $3, the best. And for my lipstick, it's a Maybelline Superstay Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Driver. So that's it for our drugstore makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.